How about the decimals? You don't like working with decimals? We can get rid of them. What we're going to do is play the place race. Okay, so I have 0.2x plus 3.2 equals 1.8. And so to play the place race, whichever term has the most numbers behind the decimal wins. This guy has one digit behind the decimal. He has one digit behind the decimal, and he has one digit behind the decimal. So it's a tie. One is the winner. So we're going to move all decimals to the right that many times. So this guy needs to move over one place. He needs to move over one place, and he needs to move over one place. So now I have 0.2x, which is just 2x, plus 32 equals 18. And I finish solving like normal. I'm going to make my 32 go away. I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides. And I'm left with 2x is equal to negative 14. To make my 2 go away, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides, which leaves x is equal to negative 7. And we can plug that in to make sure that works well. All right, so what about this example? I have 0.2x plus 0.4x equal to 6. This guy has no decimal. Well, when you don't have a decimal, it's understood to be behind the number. Okay, so it's 6 point. Okay, when I count how many places are behind the decimal, I have one place, and nothing. So everybody has to move over 1. So I'm going to move everybody over, and I can annex a 0 if it's needed. So in this case, I needed something to go behind the 6. So now I have 2x's plus 4x's is 6x's is equal to 60. Then to clear out the 6, I'm going to divide on both sides by 6. And I'm left with x is equal to 60 divided by 6, which is 10. Okay. So what about this guy? Let's do this one next. This guy has no number in front of x. So what we need to remember is that when there is no number there, it's understood to be a 1. Okay, so I have 1x plus 6.3 equals 9. Remember, our decimal is behind the 9. Our decimal is behind the 1 because there's not any shown, so we understood it's behind. Okay, and everybody has, the winner is one place, so we're going to move everybody over one place to the right. So I have 10x is plus 63 is equal to 90. Now I'm going to subtract 63 from both sides to make that cancel. And I'm left with 10x equals 27. Now I'm going to divide on both sides by 10 so that I can make this cancel, leaving x behind. 27 divided by 10 is my answer. I can plug that in to see if it works. All right, so let's look at this guy. This one, I have one digit behind here. I have 2 here and 2 here. So 2 is our winner. Everybody needs to move over 2 places. Well, this guy has one place, so we're going to have to annex a 0 to get that second place over. Okay, so it becomes 130x plus 204 equals 724. Then to get rid of this plus 204, I'm going to subtract 204 from both sides, and I'm left with 130x is equal to 520. To cancel the 130, it's being multiplied by x right now, so the opposite is to divide by 130. I'm going to do that on both sides. And so 130 cancels, leaving x equal to 4.